Hi Flutter developers, ever struggled with maintaining consistent proportions for your widget across different screen sizes? The aspect ratio widget is here to save the day. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the aspect ratio widget to create responsive layouts with ease. Stick around till the end for some pro tips on creating visual stunning UIs. Inside the scaffold here, I'm going to add body, and then I'm going to add a container widget, which I'm going to give an height of 150, and then I'm going to give a color dot gray, and I'm going to give it a child, which is going to be aspect ratio. And the aspect ratio widget takes a single property, which is just aspect ratio, which defines the width to height ratio of its child. So I'm going to be giving this 16:8, and then I'm going to give it a child, which is also going to be a container widget, and I'm only going to give this colors dot orange. And let's say this too nice that we're going to give this a weight, and let's give it double dot infinity, and let's center the child widget of this container to the center alignment, and then we're going to have alignment dot center, and let's save this. And here, so you can see that the child widget of this container maintains the aspect ratio of 16:8. If you should change this from 150 to, let's say, 300, and let's save this now, you can see it still maintains the aspect ratio of 16:8. Now let's take it up a notch by nesting aspect ratio widget to build a responsive layout. And here, we've created a layout with two sections, one with 4:3 ratio and another with 1:1 ratio. Now how did I do that? I have a child widget, which is a container here, which is a green color, and I have a center text here, which says 4:3 ratio. And I wrap it with an aspect ratio, and I give it aspect ratio 4:3, and I wrap it with an expanded widget. I have another one here, which says aspect ratio 1:1 with a container, which is red color, and a child widget, which says 1:1 ratio. Now, I also wrap this with an expanded widget. If I should change the screen size of my mobile app by doing this, you can see that this ensures consistent proportions regardless of the screen size. Let me increase it again. You can see this. And that's how you use the aspect ratio widget to build responsive and proportionate design in Flutter. It is a simple yet powerful tool for creating professional UIs. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.